My name's Anna and this is SilverPenguinArtyCrafty. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell when YouTube asks. I upload new videos every single week, so if you like home decor, DIY crafty videos, then this is the place to be. What am I bringing you today? Today it is DIY 9 of my fabulous 12 DIYs of Christmas series. And DIY 9 is a cost-effective way of making fabulous home decor from a really cheap source, using gift bags that you can get in supermarkets, Poundland, B&M, all those types of places. So enjoy the video. For this gift bag art, we use this gift bag. It was one of two for £1 in Poundland, and I'm just going to cut this out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these, which is part of a Jenga block game that I found in B&M for £3.99. So all these little blocks, we're going to stain them with this furniture paint. And now this is oak colour, and I just like this. It gives it a very natural colour. I paint a lot of my wood this colour when I make wood signs, etc. So I just stick with this. I've got not much of it left. And then once they're stained and dry, I'm going to stick them together, and then they're going to form a frame around this picture. And that will be this picture art. It's very simple, very cheap, but the finished product is very effective. And there you have it, a fabulous way how to make a cheap, effective home decor item for Christmas using just gift bags and a few little extra bits from Poundland or B&M, somewhere similar, just like that. And if this has inspired you to make your own, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. All your likes and comments really do help my channel grow, and I appreciate every single one of those. Now I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye bye.